Maya, we feel depressed?
Nah, ish. Siyabuswa marabuba.
Okay, so we should go to call our business.
Yeah.
What's your body count?
Get chippy later.
So, ngifuna lokho lalela 400k ungamsmesha ukiketso bese ubetray flag. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mlunga Junior, the best in his only, guys. Today we'll be doing a mukbang, and I'm not rolling alone. I'm rolling with XQRSA. Yes, sir. Guys, I'm rolling with the TikToker one. So today we're doing a mukbang. Make sure to watch till the end, right?
Except for boy XQRSA
subscribe. So the first question of the day, I'm gonna be the one that's asking it. So boy, how many followers do you have right now on TikTok?
15.8k.
15.8k.
Yeah.
Okay, so boy, what's your next step? Like now, what content are you gonna be giving the people from now on?
Promoting music.
Promoting your music.
Doing dance challenges.
Okay, you have a girlfriend?
Nah.
Why?
Hey, I'm fanabokela.
This year, marabaso you want to know about TikTok?
Nah, maybe next year or December.
Or December?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Joe, Nino XQ ne? I mean Nino Felix.
Yeah.
Nitome Nino kwazana?
Last year January.
Last year January. Kana ma TikTok unatome nini?
Felix akuitome 2023. Then mina yami ngiyithome last year December.
And they say 15k. Asana my performance. My performance.
Felix ngatuithome last year. Yeah, ngatuithome last year netankenda po itini month.
Alright. So ningoma ezingaje so far uzidropile?
Maybe boma 6 so.
Alright. Joe, sibone ilo kanjini ngibone i-video yenye so ka lo kanjini ka update ka Felix ukuthi basho ujola no kanjini no Priyanka ikhona indaba le?
I'm not sure.
Cause ngibone bophu ba update ile phela nama relationship status lapho.
I'm not sure, maybe. Ngoba mina ngicine bama friends with benefits.
I know.
I'm not sure ngoba nami ngibone relationship status ithi on a relationship with
what?
Geketso and Priyanka.
I know kungozi Maya, we feel depressed.
Nah, ish. Siyabuswa marabuba na maluga chipi.
Akabadu ku empty. So boy, since uthi siyabuzwa so ku empty ne?
Yeah, maraba khona nyana ngithora.
Okay, so kusho ukuthi kho aba busy la siyabuzwa.
Yeah.
What's your body count?
Body count 0.
Stop the cap.
Kids at home, they call leyo. I don't believe that. Joe, what body count is 0?
Yeah, 0.
Alright.
Yadala.
Bitch, I see what you did there.
Manikinens.
Alright. Abanendlebe bazwile. So boy,
yeah.
asitshela bona le ndaba le 0472 Strata Dance. What happened, Kanjo? What actually happened, Joe? Oba ikhambanga ngendlela lebemeli ikhambe ngayo.
Anga organize izinto kusese
Didn't organize man.
Yangithola. Ngoba ende bengisathoma ukhosta nangajeqa. Mara sengifundile ukuthi ngimele ngiorganize
So next time abantu banga expecta vele ama local nje nama space so kulea.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So the next time masho wenza le local le 047 to Strata Dance, guys, there will be free hub station and they took up.
Stop it. Get some help.
And also the free space I want, and yeah, we'll see what's up. We'll see what we're adding, and also we gotta do like one of my special personal. Besides that, boy, let's get back to the bit. This year, ne? You did some collabs with CPK.
Yeah.
Ne? CPK, yeah, no boy. Since like all started this content sheet, so and then messenger.
God this mas marayna benga simundulo we content.
Yeah, we told me ne.
Yeah, benga simundulo we content benga ithande.
Okay. Yeah, mara cause na nje ngiyabona lapha liwe pop. So boy, wena ngiyipla kahle indlela obona ngathi ama creator of 472 anga boosteka ngawe. Cause uyabona ukuthi like ba underrated most. We underrated.
Angeni. Like ngcono ngithi like angeni.
Awazi ngoba bangaziboosta ngani. As maintain advice.
And like yeah, nasi advice.
Here I come.
Keep on pushing. Unga give up.
I'm 19. I collaborate.
Ba collaborate.
Benza ma collab one.
Yeah.
Like bangenza ma content ka one. If bafuna grow, mele ba collaborate. Babe nabantu abaningi space ina ba different. Ngithatha.
Yabo seknam mina ukuze ngithi keep on pushing nangu CPK beka pusha manje.
Yabo. uCPK ube nomotion ngoba likhona. I-algorithm imthande ngoba liseduze. I-video ka-CPK ekulu nikhona. I-biggest video yakhe. Ngileya la xolisa khona. La nini time nizokuthi nizokile indaba ukuthi account baba wabhenile nanani.
Bekakhona neti yena abantu bebangamazi yangithola. Yeah, bekakhona ama video akhe yangithola laphosile. Then wathi na mara yani content bekangayithanda wathi makathoma ukuloka ukuvaya nathi wathi makathoma vele ukuloka.
Yeah, boy.
Vele nini sacabanga yangithola ukhawabona uyakhumula besiposta inthombe kuphela mosiyangithola sino feel like sahlala phasi sakhuluma ukuthi kumele sibethe ama content senza ama dance challenge yangithola.
Yeah.
Then sathoma lapho Jays yangithola safaka uCPK mara uCPK beangafuni yangithola.
Yeah.
Samfaka angafuni then sevele samcela
into yeah
samcela vele ukuthi maka join.
Yeah
into
evusa content enini inenze ukuthi vele like ngithola ama viewers TV like
quality entombe zethu
my pictures ne I clean
now ubona
I told bengibona my pictures vele lava isikule.
Yeah.
So esinye street so banini
maybe boma December so
December.
Yeah.
Oh, so a music video this year sizoyithola
maybe
yayi
because you feel like samalanga la kasathanda ke studio and ngimele sikhuki hit
yayiphi ingoma so
I'm not sure because amalanga la bekangayi studio ngimtshela ukuthi asivaye so sagcina kade mhlambe sagcina ngekhwela sagcina ngeemarcation.
Alright. Kunombuzo wengifuna ukubuza wona. Wena Keketsi. Umbona njani?
Kichipi dayden.
Alright.
So
bengifuna lokho lalela. 400k ungamsmesha uKeketsi bese ubetray Felix.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Nah. Ngekhe.
Maruti 10. Maruti ya ichipi mos.
Yeah, mara ngekhe.
Angeke ne? That's a real boy. That's a real boy. As offerele. As left. Still. I clean. Wait. I clean.
Ejo. Angeke mina ngayenze nole. Ubusy best friend ami. Ngiyamthola bese aziletha ufuna ukuba busy nami na. Ngeke ngikhona.
Ngeke wezi.
Yeah. Phela lapho simoshelile iloka i-friendship yethu sinofelix.
Uyayibona?
Yeah.
Niyabonisa kuhle ngingafaka bentazana la phakathi. Manje since naye like ukekezo ngiyambona musi creator nyana lapha le Facebook so na ku TikTok khona ne?
I'm not sure.
Ne. It's fine. Basho. So
Mara bayafana nje.
for still ukuthi bafana. Okay. We'll match that one. So guys, this was just the introduction for like what we're gonna be doing next, since like we'll be doing a series of mukbangs and we'll be hosting an Astro. So make sure that you follow us on our socials. But follow Google,
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
XQRSA.
Yeah, on all platforms.
Guys, that was your boy Mlunga Jr. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, guys. Have a great day.